Nika. Okay, I want butterfly. Yes. Guys,
Wow, Nika, it's so beautiful. The colorful butterfly. So beautiful.
it's colored this way.
What is this, Nika? Paint your own. Wow. Let's see, they have some cupcake, butterfly, ice cream, rainbow. Oh, so much stuff. Okay, are you ready, Nika?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
let's
want
start it.
butterfly.
You choose the butterfly and let's choose the colors.
Yeah.
What color do you want to use the
I
first
want
one?
butterfly.
Okay, the first color you want to use is
Yay!
yellow. Okay.
Yellow is a go right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, here we have it. Butterfly, rainbow, slice of cake, cupcake, ice cream, and peace sign.
Look, look, look. Look.
It's okay. You can continue. And we can see what kind of colors you're gonna do. Oh, it's coming very beautiful.
Ooh la la.
I'm gonna choose for cupcake. We have some purple color here. This is so beautiful one. So it has some sprinkles on it.
I want orange.
We have to color very gently. So I'm gonna show you guys here. Okay, so okay, now let's see what is here. It's almost done, guys. Look at this. This is so
Almost done.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and we choose here the green color. We can color here the green color. So the cupcake will be ready soon. I'm gonna put it dry because it's so wet. And Nika did the butterfly. I'm gonna show you the butterfly. And almost dry. And let's continue. Let's do some piece of cake. This is piece of cake. We finished. Okay, let's do the from the bottom one.
I put it to go here. I wanna go in.
You can do the ice cream one. That's the
I wanted this one.
What about the ice cream? Do you want to do ice cream?
No, I want this one.
Okay.
Yellow is this.
This is a piece of. Yes, that's a peace sign. Peace sign. It's here, and we're gonna do some red line here. Look at this.
I can the rainbow one. I can.
Okay, the red line is here.
Ava, look, I hold.
Look at this. Okay. That's good. Not bad. I need the yellow one.
Okay, here we go.
Thank you so much.
I finished sharing.
You finished it?
No, I'm not finished.
You didn't finish yet? Okay. Let me finish very fast the yellow color and I'll give you back. And thank you so much for sharing the yellow color brush. Thank you. You're so nice girl. Okay, thank you. You can take your yellow one. I'll put it here back. And another color is a red one. And the top, we're gonna put red color. Wow, Nika, we finished all. And this is so beautiful. Yes? Very good.
Look, I'm the finished green one.
Okay, this is so
This
beautiful.
one is a
Cupcake, yellow butterfly. Okay, this is great job. Thank you for watching, guys.
Nika, bye.
Bye. Thumbs up, subscribe, and put the likes on our videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.